Students, good evening. Students, do you know English? Then why are you not responding? I'm saying you are maintaining silence. Hmm? Good evening, students. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now I'm going to discuss today's class about the most important course we are going to begin with. Okay, thank you, students, those who are interacting with me. So almost 270 students are there in the online and almost 100 plus students are there in this class. Right. Students, be in response with, try to respond with the students. Now, let me start with the course we are starting with. Try to listen very. Is good, so the course we are starting with full stack Python. This is our course title. And before entering into this course, right, students, because of keeping the coolers in the offline class, we'll get a lot of disturbance. After a few days, we'll switch on the coolers and everything. Because the first day is a very important for you because you have to understand what I am explaining in the first day. Day one, you need to understand. Okay, now? Okay. So welcome to Naresh Technologies. And today's class, I'm going to talk about full stack Python, what this course contains. What this course contains. What are the course details I'm going to explain, followed by course details I will explain. That what are the things available as a part of that. Next, I'm talking about one more kind of thing. Job opportunities. Job opportunities. Job opportunities. We are going to get it as a part of this. As a part of this full stack, I will explain what are the various students who got various job opportunities as a part of my class, and followed by duration of full stack Python. So Tananya, my dear student, please re-log in, and once again you please re-log in once. Students in online, am I audible, students? Am I audible? Thank you, students. So Tananya, you please re-log in. Okay, students, thank you. Now let me continue the session now. Students, carefully try to follow. Duration of full stack Python course, and all these things I will explain. Very carefully try to listen. And before that, I'd like to explain about, of course, I want to explain one or two lines about myself. One or two lines about myself. That is about faculty I'm going to explain for 1 or 2 minutes so that I can start my topic. Okay. Maybe majority of the people knows about my classes. And if anybody don't know about my classes, I'm just going to give you some clarity on it, on this plot. And basically, as a part of my class, minimum strength will present in my class. Every batch is almost 450 students will be there. 400 plus students will be there in every batch. That is my minimum strength. In every places, wherever you attend the Python, there will be 100, 180, 90 will be there. Both offline as well as online, my full strength batch will be 450 plus minimum strength it will be. And one small thing I will show you. I will show my existing classes, then I will move to further. This is my official class links. I'm going to send you the notes for you every day. I will explain the notes for you. I will tell you the highlights of my classes, what you will get it as a part of my class, and you will get it everything. Here I will show you my classrooms. This is a Google Drive class. Maybe you are aware of this, modern facilities. As a part of my 7 o'clock, 3 links are there. You see that first link, second link, third link. In these links, I'm going to post the notes for you. There's a offline students link. There is a people. People means number of students who are present. In one link, 248 students will be there. Minimum link for every student is 248 is the maximum limit. Second link, another link is there. Another link is there. Three links are there for me. One link is not sufficient. This is 248 strength link. One more, another link is there. This is another link, online students link. This is here also what is available. You see, number of students, 246 students are there. 248 plus 246. Third link is also there. Third link, number of people's present here is, this is 92 students will be there. 248, 242 plus 92. This is my minimum strength. And if we come to evening batches, if we come 4 o'clock, before you, this is completed, 6 o'clock batch was completed last Saturday only. Now immediately this is started. I hope students, and don't feel that sorry showing the strength of that. The minimum batch strength in my class. This is a evening class related, very recently started. Just once I will show and I'll move forward. That is all working employees will be there in the morning 7 a.m. Before the office, they used to attend. And here, if you come to my classroom, here I am showing my dear students. You just see 4 o'clock, two links are there, offline and online link. Offline students will have, this is what I'm going to say today, 5:43. This is the concepts are going on. Daily, I will send the notes like that. For you also, will plan like that. Very shortly, we'll go for it. Number of students who are present here is called 159 students are there. And here it is going to be online students if you take it. Here also number of students who are present here is called what you know. You see here, 236 students are available. This is 4 o'clock, very recently started. This batch, that is the strength of it. And 6 o'clock batch, very recently completed. That you are already, maybe you know, the students recently completed batch students that are called. 247 students are there in one link. One more link is called, online link is called, one more people are there. Here also 248 students are available. This is a strength of my classes. And here, this is a branded classes for Python. And let me tell you about the content, what I'm going to discuss. And by myself, maybe it's a very, I'm a very branding for Python. So I will show my introduction very soon. Let me give you the course detail, because about myself, I don't want to tell more and more. About my course, I want to tell you. Just within, after discussing course details, I'll go for myself. I will tell you 2 minutes. Okay. Let me come to the full stack Python here. Online students, try to follow. Now 310 students are there. Carefully try to attend. Number one, this full stack Python contains 5 part students. Myself only prepared this entire full stack Python job oriented course. This is basically students, it is a job oriented course. Job oriented course. That means irrespective of your background, if you start learning about the parts which we mentioned here, you will be getting the job. To get the job, what are the various things you need to do? I am suggesting all the things carefully. Try to follow me. So number one, module one, which I am going to discuss here, is the backbone for Python. We'll show the content also. Number two is called advanced Python. Advanced Python. Next, I'm discussing about Python for data science. Python for data science, I'm going to discuss. As a part of data science, we are talking about the most popular kind of things, NumPy. It's one of the biggest module. And one more is called pandas. Number three, we are discussing about what you know, matplotlib. Matplotlib. These are the most powerful powerful libraries need to learn as a part of data science. That things, three things I'm covering as a part of what? Python programming module one, which is a backbone for learning full stack. Okay. This is about module number 1. So there, any kind of coding you want to write as a part of full stack Python, this type of first module is compulsory. If you want to become data scientist tomorrow, what is compulsory required to learn? Python programming is compulsory. Next, the second one I'm going to talk about module number 2. What will be there as a part of module number 2? What will be there as a part of module number 2? There we are talking about UI module, UI technologies. I'm going to tell you about UI technologies. There we talk about the first one, we talk about HTML. HTML. Next we talk about JavaScript. JavaScript, we are going to talk about it. And next, the third one is CSS, we talk about it. And the D is called Bootstrap. Bootstrap, we are going to talk. And we explain about Angular. We explain about Angular. So I hope we explain about Angular. These are comes under what? UI technologies. To become a full stack Python developer, we must learn about module number 1 plus module number 2, UI technologies you need to learn it. Now, next module number 3, we are talking about module number 3. Module number 3. There we talk about web frameworks. Web frameworks, we are going to talk about it. There we talk about, there we discuss here. There we discuss, number 1, we discuss about, come in. Number 1, we discuss Django. It is one of the web framework to be learned as a part of full stack Python. Next, we are talking about B. Another framework also we are explaining what it is, Flask. We are talking about Flask. It is also one of the modern web framework. Next, we are talking about REST API. REST API. This is a RESTful API also we can call. And next, this is comes under web frameworks and UI technologies. And next, we are talking about module number 4. Module number 4, I'm going to discuss. In the module number 4, we are talking about databases. We are talking about the database softwares. Database softwares we are going to talk. For persistency maintenance purpose, we talk. There we explain about in detail MySQL. It's the most important as on today. Second one is MongoDB. MongoDB. Are you able to follow? These are the databases you need to learn it. If you want to get the job in the software field, my dear students, you must know one language very perfectly. You must know about UI technologies. You must know about the frameworks. Next, you must know about what database softwares you must know. These are the mandatory things to get the job. These are the mandatory skill set you need to get it. And next, module number 5. I'm talking about module number 5. What is the module number 5? We talk about online students. My dear students, I'm going to give you, Nikhil, I'm going to give you the individual content also, students. All the students' doubts I will clarify at the end of the class. My dear students, all the students' doubts I'll clarify at the end of the class. I will give to every student the mic facility I will give you. Mic facility I will give you. You can talk to me. You can talk to me. I will talk to every student in the online from the day 1 onwards to the last day of the course. I will talk to every student. I will give the mic facility. Directly you can speak to me. Okay, na? This class subject is going to start because I'm discussing what are the things we are providing, so that if you clearly listen na, at the end of the class, I'll speak to every student. Please give me an opportunity to explore what are the things I'm going to discuss. Well, students, now I'm talking about one more kind of thing. I'm talking about tools. Tools. I'm going to talk about the tools. That is software development tools. I'm going to take it. What are those I'm talking about? We talk about Git. We talk about GitHub. We talk about GitHub, and we talk about testing strategies. That is, testing methodologies. Testing methodologies. We are going to talk about it, and we talk about we talk about resume building. Also, we explain it. Resume building also. We explain about all these things, and many more. We explain many more tools. We are explaining this kind of things. We are giving the another basics of AWS, that is called GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Do you know about Google Cloud Platform? Google Cloud Platform. So I hope you might be knowing it. Like that, we are going to discuss many more fundamentals we give you, because these are the things you must have an idea about as a part of tools coverage. And then we talk about the resume building. And one more most important topic is, in every part of the subject, we discuss about capstone projects. Capstone projects, we discuss about it. In every part of the topic, from the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, we are discussing capstone projects. These are the course modules to get the job in the industry. These are the things you must learn very perfectly. Online students, can you please respond it? Can you please respond? Is my course modules introduction is clear? Can you please respond once, my dear students, all the people, so that we can move forward? Yes, my dear students. Any doubts are there? Please note it down with you, so that I can talk to every student at the end of the class. I'll spell out about PySpark. I will tell you about PySpark. I will tell you all the things. I will explain, my dear students. Today is the first day now, so my dear students, Razu, I'm coming to that. Data analysis. I'm only taking care about the data analysis. You will be wondering when I'm entering into the subject. So this part I'm going to discuss. Please give me an opportunity to give me explain what is my class is, so that you will be impressing about my classroom concept. So coming to the point of it, now I'm entering into the Suma. I will explain what is capstone project. Everything I will explain in the class. So if you go on asking the doubt like that in middle of it, I cannot continue the class now. So at the end of the class, I'm going to discuss about it. Okay, now please give me an opportunity to enter into the further. At the end of the class, I'll talk to every online student. Okay, let me come to the further. This is about my course content. So first, full stack Python is a job oriented course. By learning this job oriented course, what we are going to become? For learning this job oriented course, sir, what are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites for learning what kind of thing? For learning what? Full stack Python. I am just going for giving you that kind of part. For learning full stack Python, what are the prerequisite? Number one, you must be a graduate. First thing, you must be a graduate of any stream. Now I am writing BTech. You may be a BTech of any stream, students of any stream, any discipline, any branch or any discipline. Next, you can be an MCA, you can be an MTech, no problem. You can be a degree student, BSc, or next is called BCom. This is the biggest doubt students will have. Sir, I'm not an engineering student. Will I get the job or not? This is the biggest doubt. I will come to you. Everything I will tell you. Today you give me an opportunity to explore what is the subject. Because I am from real industry programming, I'll tell you the perfect picture for you. I am the whole and soul for taking care about this entire full stack. I'll monitor the course, how it is going on and everything. I'll take care about it. Let me start about. You may be a BCom, or you may be an MBA student, or you may be a BCA student of any graduate, You may be from pharmacy also. You may be from pharmacy also. Whatever it might be your background, you must be a graduate. Understand, students? Well, and sir, what we must know, what you must know, what type of knowledge you must know. I'm just writing what knowledge must be knowing, what knowledge must know. So I'm just asking you a question, and you don't feel, because I'm only the faculty which I speak straightforward to you. Yes, ma. Kumar, my dear student. Any graduate means what, my dear student? BA also. BA also. Right? Any graduate means any kind of person with any discipline. What knowledge must know? What knowledge must know? In this class, how many BTech CSC students are there? May I know how many CSC students are there? Okay. One, two. You are also CSC. CSC? Yeah. Okay. I will remember. I'll come to you once again. How many BCA students are there? BCA. BCom students? Okay. MCA students? Okay. I'll come to you once again. Now coming to this. So those who knows BTech CSC, they already studied what? C language. They already studied C language. Yes. So they think that they know C language. And already your friends might be said, you don't raise a hand when sir asks what is BTech CSC or something. Maybe. I don't know. But anyhow, I'm appreciating. MCA student or BTech student, whatever it is, now I'm asking, you need not to know. I'm writing openly. You need not to know. You need not to know any C, C++, comma Java, comma C Sharp.net. You need not to know any of these languages. Any of these languages you need not to know. Any of these languages you need not to know, because because I am only taking care about everything from bottom of the subject to the real professional. I will take it. So I'm writing once again what I'm saying. Faculty, here I'm writing this word. I'm writing why I'm writing here, because I will save it. The last day also I will show you this document one. So the KVR, my name is KVR. It's called KV Rao. So here, a faculty here, I'm taking care about your entire coding skills from zero to what? The highest professional stage I will bring it. Because I'll show you what are the projects which I am taking at the real time career. As a faculty, I take care about, I give a guarantee that, I give a guarantee that you will become, you will become, you will become expert in writing coding. I'm writing in capital letters, writing coding, because software development means what? Writing coding. Provided, now I'm writing one important words. Provided, three things I'm very much interested to tell this. Three things I'm telling to you about these things. I will make you expert in coding, provided you must know about what? Three things you must do. All students who are really interested to attend this full stack Python, are all really interested to learn this full stack Python, all students must attend all the classes punctually. This is one of the most important thing. Punctually you must attend. First of all, you must attend punctually. Class starts at some time and coming at 1 hour after, because of that you will lose the subject in the top sense of time. This is a number one. I cannot take care about this. Correct or not? Understand, with wholeheartedly you think about it. Next, all students must practice. All students must practice. All students must practice the use cases. The use cases, nothing but a problems are nothing but what? Programs, which I am explaining in the class. In the class, I am explaining the coding standards from where? Hacker ranking problems I am explaining. Have you heard about hacker ranking problems? Do you know about hacker ranking problems? If you go to that hacker ranking problems, if you come to that, here I'm going to say hacker ranking problems here. I'm going to say here, I'm going to write it here. Here you just see, this is my login I'm saying. I'm going to write it this is my username and I'm entering my password. I'm a 5-star rated gold star rated dashboard member of that. With my things I said, it is my ranking in the login hacker ranking problem solving. When I come to this Python here, these are all the problems which I started saying here. These are all solved. All these things I'm going on solving it. I hope you are following me. If we just open it, if I just go to this place, solved here, if I see this question itself, you see, this is the task you are getting in the companies. This is the task you are getting in the companies. Left side, you see task, you see. This is the task you are going to get it in the companies. Are you seeing that? This is a task in left side, students. This is a task you are getting in the left side. And you see that this is that they are giving constraints, they are giving inputs. This type of questions you will come across in the real time. And this is the code what I wrote it. If I submit here only, you can go for what? You can go for running this kind of thing. Submit the code. After writing the code, if you submit it, you will be getting started. All test cases will be tested. All test cases, test case 1, test case 2, test case 3, all test cases will be submitted. Are you following this? This type of coding standards we explain in the class. No faculty will explain this hacker ranking examples because we are from real time. I'll tell you my introduction within 2 minutes. These are the problems we are going to get it. Addition of two numbers, reverse of a number, factorial of a number. These are all called what? 1947 story. And this is the examples you will come across in real time. Are you able to get it? And you may not be thinking, sir, I'm a BCom student. Will I understand or not? That's what I said. That's what I'm saying to you, dear students. All the students must practice the examples which I'm explaining in the class. For you people, I prepared it from my side. I prepared it for your purpose of improving your skills like anything. I prepared lot of what? Lot of exercise I prepared it. Lot of exercises I prepared it. Let me go for it. One more time I will take. In that place, exercises you see. Question bank 1, question bank 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lot of question banks are there with me. All of them are what? Hacker ranking based questions only. If I just open this first question bank, it is 100 questions are there in this first question bank. You see all of them are what? Those big question I put it in form of short one. I will say, remember this, these are all containing 100 questions here. 100 questions are available. Second question bank, you see question bank number 2, 101 onwards, this question bank is available. How many? It is a 200. Like that, if you remember it, students, I am going to take care about what? How many question banks are there with me? 700 questions are there with me. On what? Python. If you do 700 questions in the class, and I don't give homework for you. If I give homework, what will happen? You know better than me. What will happen if I give homework? That is a permanently homework only. I will solve majority of the examples in the class. Similar model, I will give you the homework. Of course, there are some students who want to do homework. I'll do complex example. I'll give complex example and I will give complex example and I will give you homework as what? Similar example I will give you just by changing sign. If I give complex example, if I do easy things, that is other story, but we never do that. Because if I explain in the class, majority of the students will get what? Much logic improvement will be coming. Are you following, students? This is my question bank. As a part of what? Python level. Python for data science, if you come, look at Python for data science, if you come, Here I'm going to take about much projects I'm explaining. You come to this. Here you come. NumPy. NumPy. I said data science. Python for data science. NumPy. Here you see. Matplotlib. Matplotlib. And next is called pandas. Are you seeing separately? Separate project, separate explanation. NumPy. You see NumPy examples. See how many examples are there? Most marvelous examples. Anywhere else, if you see NumPy, they will explain 2 days, 3 days. Within 2 hours, NumPy is completed. But here almost I'm explaining 15 to 16, 17 days I will explain. Because it is an exclusive training we are giving. Notes separately we are giving. Notes separately we are giving. These are all called examples we are explaining. With a Jupyter notebook, I will explain. Maybe you know Jupyter notebook, it is an IDE for what? Python data science level. And next I'm going to talk about pandas. When you come to pandas, see that employee salary analysis project. Next is called a Google Play Store project. Google Play Store, you know. In the Google Play Store, how many apps are there? Generally, I'm asking, write a Python code for finding the number of apps in Google Play Store. And how many apps are installed more number of times? Which app is having highest number of ratings? This is the project I am explaining. This is a Google Play Store data, Excel data I am showing. So I'm teaching about what? How to prepare the Excel sheets, how to go for analysis. This is the most useful for what? Data analytics engineer, data analysis engineer. See how many apps are there? There are so many apps are there. See that students, how many apps are there? I'll scroll down quickly. You are having almost what? 10,842 applications are there in Google Apps, Google Play Store. On that, I am explaining about the project. You can directly keeping in your resume, employee salary analysis, Google Play Store analysis. Like that, I am explaining about 5 projects at this stage. Are you able to follow? Now, along with this practicing my case studies, I will explain the capstone projects also. There is capstone projects is combining all the topics and we will prepare one project where we can keep our resume and we can explain that project in the interview point of view. And one more thing is student must read. Student must, this is student must practice all the things. And one more thing is student must read the notes daily. Student must read the notes daily. This is the another kind of thing. Daily you must read the notes and you must write the notes daily, which I am going to send in the very shortly. I will give you the link for you. In that link, I will keep my notes day to day. Whatever I am explaining, I will send you that notes. This is the things you need to get it from my side. This you are going to become an expert. To become an expert in the subject, to become an expert in subject, you must know about what? This kind of things. So here I'm going to say like this. వీళ్ళని ఇట్లా డోలు పంపించకండి, ఎందుకు పంపిస్తారు మీరు? దే ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ క్యాండిడేట్స్. క్లోజ్ ద డోర్. సో హియర్ we are going, they are how they came, that boy and girl, how they came? By seeing them, are you not getting an idea? Close. So now you go forward to become an expert in subject. We must know all these things. This you student only has to take care. Student only has to take care. Faculty cannot do anything else. On behalf of you, if I attend the class daily, will I get a job? You will get a job. Whoever will attend the job punctually, they'll get the job. One day coming, 2 days, 3 days not coming, if you do the course, better not to learn. You need to read the notes and need to practice my examples, which I said already. Picture I shown you. And you need to read the notes daily. Like your engineering, if you start reading now, problem. Beginning only I'm saying to you. These are open secrets. Understand this point? Well, now I'm going to test it. The BCom students, this BCom, BSc, all the students are thinking, sir, will you, whatever the examples you have seen and whatever the projects are there, will you be able to understand or not? That's why I'll take you a small awareness here. And about myself, I want to show you. And Here I want to show you a small kind of thing about my content. I am going to show you full stack Python content. A beautiful kind of thing I am going to explain, students. Please look into that. This is called Python. I am going to show Python first. This Python course content, my total pages in this Python is almost content of entire Python you see. This is about core Python, advanced Python, page number 1. All the things we are going to discuss. This is called page number 1, page number 2. See that how many things are there. Point to point, everything is mentioned. So this is total thing is mentioning functions. Next is called so many things. I'm not reading it out, just scrolling here. Just scrolling here. This is everything I am showing in this. Oops, exceptions, multi-threading, networking, Python database communication. All those things are there. This is about what? Python only. How many pages are, students? Almost 6 to 7, 8 pages are there only for Python. About NumPy. About NumPy. NumPy you see almost 2 pages. Pandas you see total 2 pages, 3 pages may be there. About Matplotlib you see, this is my content. This is my content. I hope this is called what? Python related. Django related also we are showing. This is our team of people will give you the content also for you. Are you able to follow? So this is my course content I said. And next about myself, I'm going to give you about my introduction I'm giving and people are waiting for you. And about myself, I'm KV Rao and my qualification is what? Doctorate in computer science. And my specialization is called what? DAW, design and analysis of algorithms. That is what is called presently. The people are NIT, IITs, all triple ITs. The student with 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore. The basic behind that selection is only what? Data structures and algorithms. That is my research subject in this. I was a solution architect in the company called MNC Global. I was taken up to, I was an employee of iGate MNC Global up to 2021. Later, I took myself as taken things from there. I came out of it. And before my office and after my office, from beginning of my career, I used to take classes here. Before my office and after office, I used to take classes. Now I'm taking all complete classes from morning to evening classes in this place, morning to evening. And I'm having totally 25 years of experience in Java. I'm a Java expert. And from last 10 years onwards, I'm taking Python classes. Last 10 years onwards, I'm taking Python classes. What were the applications I worked on it? Based on that, I prepared my full stack Python course. And next, and I just shown you whatever I shown, I just written here. And I am solving all hacker ranking problems in the class. Are you able to follow? And what my class will deals with. And before going to explain, I just want to take one small awareness here. A small awareness I want to give you. Students, and you are CSC student, stand up once. Who are the CSC students? Raise the hands once. Right. Okay. Now I want to ask one question. And people will feel, of course, you don't feel because of my straightforward. This is about my class. And still, some more is there about my class. Now I'm asking, you learned C language, right? Fine. Now I'm asking, don't feel any negative because I want to test you. What is your talent before attending my class? Student know, they know everything they will feel like. Reality in the subject. Now I'm asking, just a question to you in C language. Hash include, this is the first line every student will write it. stdio.h. Dear students, any faculty says anything, you don't believe them directly. You ask them, write a code for it. Write a code for it. In afternoon, one of my student came who is appearing for tomorrow one problem. IBM people has given one problem and that problem solution he came is about to just 4 o'clock batch student only. He came it and this is a hacker ranking problem. This type of problem you see, this type of problem they will give in the industry like this. They will give like this input format and the constraints, and you need to have this sample input they will give. You need to go for output like this. These are all IIT based, NIT based, triple IT based explanation this class will contain. And you may have a doubt, sir, will we catch it or not? See, if the trainer is so good, automatically student is having a hungry to get the job. Definitely will understand. I'll make you to explain also. And for that, I wrote a code in where I written a code in PyCharm. It is an IDE which I am explaining in the class. Jupyter Notebook, Spider, these are all called popular IDs in the software industry. These kind of IDs I am explaining. For that question, I wrote immediately the code, and I gave to that student. This is a Python based coding. At present, you don't know anything, but I'm showing that how complex the coding is, how complex the coding in real time. That is what I'm trying to tell you now. That is what I'm trying to tell you now. See this hacker ranking questions and all. These type of questions. Anyhow, let me come to your talent. My first question is, what is the thing? Anybody says theoretically, don't believe, etc. Don't join there. If they show for every sentence practically, na, you prefer that. That is what you are going to say. In academics, we learned what theory. We wrote exams. You did not write any practical questions, practical tasks you did not do. But when you go to tomorrow, any MNC company, what they will give you? Will they give question paper and answer sheet? What they will give? Task like this, which I shown you just now. A task like this they will give you. The task left side, and you need to write the question. And the task which I said now just now, this is a task they will give like this, and try to solve they will say. This is an IBM question. Solve this question they will say. Will you solve it? Will you write any theory? Just think about it. That's what I am saying it. Now, I am asking, hash include stdio.h is called what, is called preprocessor, preprocessor directive, preprocessor directive, or preprocessor directive. In this place, what is the use of hash? What is the use of hash? What is the use of include? What is the use of this angular brackets? That is my first question to you. What is the use of hash? You tell me. That's enough. No student can answer this. No student. You take open question. No student can answer it. It's an open question, I'm saying. Because I've seen in my 25 years of experience, so many people I have seen it. Nobody can answer it. Open question. If you say something, you show me practically. I don't want to believe theoretical words. I want to see only practically you show me in the laptop. I will explain this in my class with programmatical. I will explain what is the use of hash, even though it is not my subject. Can you answer me? Can you answer? Yes or no? No. No. Okay, shut down. Who is BTech CSC? Yeah. Can you answer it? No. No problem. Can you answer it? No. Nobody can answer it. If possible, ask the trainer who trained you. This is the Infosys question. When these people went to some NITs or some IITs or somewhere, they will ask this type of question. And a student don't know this. Actually, star will say this is an answer. But you need to know internally what is happening. You need to know. Are you following, my dear students? So, according to my expectation, my industry knowledge, what the students feel that they know C language, they feel that they know C language. But according to my expectations and industry expectation, that is, they don't know anything about C language. They don't know anything about C language. And you don't feel because of my sentence. And even if you feel also, no problem. If you feel what you will do, you may feel negative on me. Nothing will happen. Na? Will it happen anything? No. One more question I am asking. Those who know C language. It is a one more question. Because I have to test you what is your knowledge so that I can train you like that. When I use sqrt function in my C program, immediately what are you doing? Hash include. What are you doing? math.h has header file you are including. Correct? Because sqrt function present in where? Math.h. Correct or not? That means every function belongs to what? Header file. Now you are writing void main. Main you are writing or not? Main. Main is also one function or not? That function belongs to which header file? That is sqrt belongs to what? Math.h. If I use strlen, strcpy belongs to what? String.h. Main function belongs to which header file? This also nobody can answer it. And people will say, this is belongs to what? Yesterday I did. There is a blunder. Sir, how can you find that which header file belongs to what? Keep your cursor anywhere else. In C language environment, I'm saying, press Control F1. You will get the top left corner, that header file name, you will get it. After going to home, test it. Main, keep a cursor anywhere else and press Control F1. No header file will come. Are you following me? Now the question is what? Main belongs to which header file? Nobody knows. But you've passed already. You got a certificate also. You got certificate also. And you are feeling that I know C language. You face me a question. You cannot answer a single question. I will ask 50 questions in C language, not opening the mouth for any one of the question. That's why students and MCA students, who are MCA students here, right? So Java you studied or not? Can I ask one question? Generally, Java question I am coming. Generally, to display the result of it, system.out.println they will say, they will butify. Now my question is, I'm a Java expert. What is system? What is out? What is println? What is the relation among that? No, I have not seen so far anybody else who answered. What is system? Nobody can answer. They will butify. What is system? Class. Correct. Class. Okay. What is out? Object. Good. Of which class? System class. System class? That is the called wrong answer. Huh? Print? Print stream. Good. Println belongs to what? Of which class? Print stream. Out is an object. Of which class? What type? What type? They cannot answer. That is called public static final type. That is what is the library. So actually students don't know that. The faculty has to show what in the class. They have to show the library in the class. That I will show you. That I will show you. Dear students, learn the subject by seeing the library of the subject. Java P, Java P, Java dot, lang dot, system I am writing. Of course, set path is equal to, why I am saying all these things is because students should feel reality of the subject. In my session, program files, there is a 1 minute. There is a Java here, somewhere else. There is Java here. Go to the place. Somewhere else there is program files, Java here, JDK here, pin there. I will take out this address and I will keep it and like this. Java P, java.lang.system. You see, my dear students, out is an object of what? Print stream. Of which type? Static final type. Like that, you have to learn the subject. Don't butify anything. If you butify, you are getting problem by yourself. Are you realizing, my dear students? Now, what is important? You have to learn about what? Libraries. Okay. Whatever it might be happened, students. Don't worry. Do you know C language? Come on, answer, please. Come on, come on. Do you know C language? According to me, you don't know. Java, you know. Purely don't know. Now, next, one more, last and final, I want to check. Who is MCA or BTech CSC? Once again, I'm asking. I think last, BTech CSC. CSC? Huh? Right, good. Anyone stand up? What is OS? Huh? Come on. Unable to stand up. Why, my dear students, stand up? What is OS? Operating system. Next, stand up. No? Okay, no problem. This is what is OS, everybody? Operating system. Okay. What is www? World Wide Web. What is CPU? That is nothing but you know only full forms. You don't know anything about subject. Because of knowing full forms, nobody will talk to you. This is called innocency. If you come to my Python level, we talk about what is OS. With the programming, I am going to explain. My dear students, if you come to this, there is a OS related concept is there. OS related things are there. See how many examples I am going to explain. Suppose if we come to this, say right click. If we come to this, say right click here. 1 minute. If I come to this place, here you come. Here I am writing new. I say what? Folder. Create a folder. Now I am writing here something like HYD I am writing. HYD I am writing here. It is a folder created or not? That means when I click on the new, some piece of code is executed and then folder created. How do you write a code in Java to create a folder? How to create a folder? How do you write a code in Python? Already. Will we get Java or not? Come on, speak openly. No internal marks. Will we get Java? No Java. No job. Finally, what is your subject knowledge? I'm giving some grading for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your grading scale. 9 means extraordinary. 5 means average. 0 means no knowledge. What is your knowledge? So openly saying, talking to openly, nothing wrong, students. Come on. Huh? Really? Okay. I know already this part. This I know already. And you don't feel because of my words, because I'm speaking openly. I'm only the one which I speak very open heartedly to my students. Nothing to worry, students. This is what I wrote it already. I give a guarantee that you will become an expert in my classes. You need not to know any C, C++, Java. No language knowledge is required. I am the whole and soul for you to become an expert because I shown my exercising, coding things and everything. And in my class, what I am going to continue, how this is going to be continued. Now I am going to say, as a part of my class, what I am going to tell you here. Almost we are called what? Dummy today, correct or not? Dummy in coding. You may have some outside knowledge is more and more, but in the coding is called a dummy because we are not from IIT number one, not from NIT, not from triple IT. Are we from anybody is there? No. So we are from other than those three streams. So we are normal only. So how to become a extraordinary student? That is our target. That's why we prepared this type of things, content for you to get the job. So irrespective of your background skills, I prepared the course content, a job oriented course. What I'm going to give you, number one, deep programming skills. When you go to the industry, they won't give any theoretical question. They will give you first what? They will conduct MCQs test. Then next they will conduct a system test. If possible, these days they are conducting two system tests they are conducting. Two system tests they are conducting in some companies. Then followed by HR rounds or something else is going on. This is a major round. If we qualify here, HR round and all these things is very, very simple. So to qualify this round of writing the programming round, we are talking about a deep program writing skills. Like I shown you hacker ranking one task na, how to diagnose it, how to understand the real time problems. I will divide that and I will give you into pieces by pieces. I will explain how to understand the given problems perfectly. Next, the real time problem solving skills. Meaning is what? Google Play Store is there, for example. That is there in front of me. How to download the data and how to go for analyzing it. Next is called what? YouTube contains how many apps? So many apps are there. Which app is having highest rating in a particular day? These are all called, I am explaining as a part of my classes. And the next is called what? how to analyze the given problem. Like, say, take some small example. And you don't think that Sai is boasting about himself. And since I am explaining, I want to tell you that. Suppose if I don't tell that, you cannot understand now what I am doing. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and a 6x minus 4y is equal to 8. Find x and y. Find x and y. First of all, have you heard about these things in your school days? What are these called? These are called what? Linear algebra. Do you know linear algebra? Do you know the purpose of linear algebra? Don't know. We don't know. Generally, we don't know. I will explain in the class as a part of NumPy. This is called one beautiful concepts in our Python programming. With all modern trends of the coding, I am explaining in the class because in my real time, these things we come across. That's why I want to bring that entire reality in the classes. I will explain how to prepare this kind of thing. What is the use of linear algebra? How this is prepared in the class? And you will feel easily what is the meaning of 2x, sir? What is the meaning of 3y, sir? What is 6, sir? I will explain all these things in the class. Understand, students? Next, come to the point of it. That is called problem analyzing skills, we can call. Plus, certification training. When we join engineering, they are giving one certificate or not, saying that he passed it. And like that, when you learn Python, you need to get some certification. Some, if you go to big companies, they will ask, you try to get the certification in that. NASCAM, you heard about it, I think so. NASCAM is a general body for all MNCs. They will conduct the online test for Python. When you leave this offline class, and the left side one, the big board is there. Gold certification. Our students passed gold certification, gold in certification, and silver in certification, bronze in certification. Our students are so many passed, so many got certification. That type of training also will be covered. In the certification, they won't ask the theoretical questions, right? Additionals, nothing to. They will give you some piece of code, 4 to 5 lines of code they will give, and they will ask you write the output of that code. To write the output of the code, how much knowledge is required? So much of knowledge is required. Plus, we are talking about interview skills, how to appear in front of the interviewer. How we train in this course, I will train you in this course in such a way that you will sit in front of the interviewer by opening the laptop. Suppose if you come to my company for interview, if I open laptop in front of you, what you will feel? Today you will play with me. Like that you will feel or not? When I'm opening laptop in front of me means I will open the software compulsory now. I will ask the question, I will type the question in the software and I will ask what is the output of it. Will generally students will feel happy and fear, very feared. I am going to explain a lot of questions for you, such type of interview based questions, what will come. And don't think that there is an important questions that are the regular part of our discussion. I will tell you, this is a question like this is a question like that, you will get like this. Being a part of my class, daily I am discussing with my students as a part of regular classes. I'll show you where I discussed it after completion of it. Okay, you got selected in the company and you passed the MCQs test, you system test one, you passed it, and you got interview skills. Luckily, your brother or sister is there in the company, you selected. Assume that. Then after getting the job, project is assigned for you. You got the job. How to survive in the company? How to survive? Getting the job is okay, but how to survive? How to manage that projects? How to deal with that applications? I'm explaining in the class. So sustainability is very important or not? That also we are discussing of the part of. These are the highlights of my classes. Are you following me? Next, this course contains, as I said already, core Python, advanced Python, data science modules, and then project-based case studies that is called capstone projects, solving coding challenges from competitive MNC exams, like I shown you, hacker ranking kind of things. And next, who can learn this course? I wrote some points. Freshers who never programmed before, BA, BCom, all students who never, even the students who programmed, that is not according to industry. 1947, you learned it. So that type of coding, what you learned is not suitable in the industry. That is an outdated already, what you learned it. Programmer switching language to Python. These days, so many people are entering into Python. Why they are entering into Python? Python is a ranked number one language. I will show you. All the proofs I will show you. The programmers who promise to polish their skills. They learned Python so many years back, and new things are coming in Python that I want to show. Any person who passionate their career in the Python domain, programming developers and trainer or faculty, and next, what will be the jobs the students got it from my series of 10 years? Software engineer, old term only. Python developer, old term. Research analyst, these days people are getting it. Next, data analyst, data scientist, software developer, normal. Senior software engineer, normal. Python senior developer, normal. Next, these are the new model things we these days people are getting. Ethical hacker, penetration tester, data journalist, cloud architect, cloud security specialist, QA engineer, machine learning engineer. These are highest paid jobs in the software industry. To do this entire job roles, Python is a backbone for you. And AI researcher, robotics engineer, business intelligence engineer, IoT developer. For all these application development, the backbone of coding is what? Python. And this is your journey starts from here. And you are coming to this place. This is where I am going to take it into the MNC level. And if you read well, the 3 points I said now, 1, 2, 3, must attend punctually, read the notes, and practicing the sessions. This is about my entire discussion now. I will show you one small point. Why to learn Python, sir? According to the survey-based companies, so many are there. One of the popular kind of thing, TIOBE, TIOBE index. It is one of the biggest software-based index, TIOBE index. TIOB index. It is one of the software quality company. They developed one beautiful survey of every month they will develop. Every month they will develop. See students. So TIOB index April 2024. Come down here. If you are after going to home, read out this entire thing. Come down to this. Python is a programming language number one, ranked number one language. It is a ranked number one language. And the C language is the next step. Your C language different, industry C language different, student. Don't think that I know C language, I will do wonders. Your C language even not in my point of view, 0 level that is. Next C++ is coming up. Java is going down. And if any Java students are there, don't feel Java, sorry. I'm a Java professional actually. Java is going down. You see, this is not prepared by me. It is already there in that. See that because already, you are in the completely revolutionary period of what? AI, artificial intelligence. So many languages will disappear in a couple of years, except this Python is having a lot of scope for you. And see that some of them are UI technologies is coming up. This is called its popularity. Now, if we come to statistical times, there is some more thing is available. Statistical times, statistics times. This is also one survey based company. They are giving to you the popularity of the Python, PYPL, Python programming language popularity. If we come down, you see top programming languages in April 2024. See the language called Python. See the language called Python. TIOBE, Python is a ranked number one language. And next, Python in worldwide. Python is worldwide. Java and Python. Java is the worldwide first language. And Python is the world number one language. And see the growth of it. See the growth of it. And the next come down. Python index in US. Python number one. Python in India. And Python in Germany. And see the growth of it. See the growth of it. Most of the projects are from US. 32.31, 13.41 Java. You see the growth of that. And coming to United Kingdom, Python is 44.24, Java is 11.63. And the next is Python in France, 46.11, Java is almost 12.32. This is not prepared by me or something. This is a statistical report I am giving it. And only learning Python, only learning Python and then coming to these places. A ex-student is from engineering, ex-student from NIT and IIT is also engineer. Where is an opportunity will be more? Who has a more subject knowledge, there will be an opportunity. Whether you are from IIT or NIT, that is not important. Where you are having good coding standards, that is an important. I think you are understanding. Am I clear for it? So this is about what today's class I am giving it. So about my course content, I said the 5 modules I said, and I said what is your prerequisites and what you must do. I said if you fulfill all these things, what my class will do, what is my profile. I said everything is clear. In tomorrow's class, I will explain the starting content. What is that starting content? What are the real-time applications? What are the real-time applications developed by using what? Python programming, which is a part of what? Full stack Python. I'm talking about the real-time applications developed by using which language? Python. That means in the full stack Python course, module 1 will start. Module 1 will start. So as a part of full stack, you may ask a question, sir, I want to learn only module 1. Only module 1 also you can learn it. Are you able to follow? Now, we are going to talk tomorrow. First part in the full stack Python, first module I will start. Python programming will start. The first day we start with what are the real-time projects we developed using Python. When you learned C language, which type of projects you developed by using C language? Nobody will talk about it. Which type of projects you can develop using Java? Nobody will explain because they did not work on any of the projects. And tomorrow we are going to talk about what are the various real-time applications developed by using Python. I will explain tomorrow. And today I gave the entire overview about my class will do what is my classroom scenario and everything I said. And tomorrow class, I'm going to discuss about the real-time applications developed by using Python. I'll tell you 2022 plus applications. I will tell you using Python, what are the things we develop it. Okay, now? So this is my class. And online students, I'll clarify your doubts. You please hold on. You please raise your hands. I will clarify. Once again, I'm saying, whether you are a BCom or BA or BSc or whatever the branch you have, don't feel that engineering students are having, they know C language, C++ and etc. And you have seen practical in the class, what they know. And some people will feel, I know something. Still, we cannot change. They are stagnant people. When they go to appear for an interview, that day they will come to know. Actually, people don't know what is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. How 5 got it? How 5 got it also, people, this is a question in Infosys. How 2 plus 3 is equal to 5? Prove that. They don't know. They'll say addition and everything. But I'm talking about bitwise operators. Operators, people know. Plus, minus, everybody knows. Bitwise operators are used actually inside. How bitwise operators are working, no student knows. Damn sure. Openly, I'm saying to everybody. Except IIT, NIT students, they only will come to know the reality. And normal students, totally away. And such kind of things, as a part of my class, we explain. When you come to my completing class of 6 p.m., operators part, if we come to it, in that specially I'm talking about bitwise operators with a diagrammatic representation and everything. Left shift operator, right shift operator, how the bit configuration, everything I am explaining in the classes. Understand, students? These are all part of subject. These are all most important thing. What are the bitwise operators? What are the meaning of it? Why they are using in real time? All those things you will come across. Okay, now? So tomorrow class, I'll go for entering into the first part of the subject, real-time applications developed by using Python language. So first few days, that is 4 or 5 days, I will take 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes like that, because people are going on joining. Later, I will go for 1 hour 40 minutes. I will take minimum. Why that 1 hour 40 minutes? 10 minutes after online students to speak. Before 10 minutes, I will speak to offline students if any doubts are there. So that 2 hour session it is completely. 10 hours before the class, offline students doubts. 10 minutes after the class, online students doubts they may take. And beginning, so many doubts will be there for the students. Once if I enter into the subject, you will understand completely. That time students will not get much doubts. Beginning, so many doubts are there. So I will keep concentrating today for online students, and any doubts are there for offline students, tomorrow I will clarify. Okay, now students. So tomorrow we'll meet at 6 o'clock in the class. Thank you. All the best. Online students, please hold on. I'll clarify your doubts one by one. Please hold on. Within few minutes, within 1 minute, I will come to you. I will connect to you. Hold on, all of you. That will take a lot of time. All new batches, fresh batches only going. Yeah, you've done it. Because for you, morning 7 o'clock is going on. What is going on? Modules are going to take some time. Oh, yeah. Dijango, I'm not taking because all batches are there for you. Some change the even though I don't know the tax. That's why I'm ready. So tell them moderate that. Get up. Wait more about this. Fine. So when you wait for 2 minutes. Students who are in the online, my dear students, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you, students, my dear students? No. Okay, my dear students. One by one, I will give you based on raising the hand. I will give you the facility immediately. One by one, put your doubt carefully, shortly, so that I can talk to every student. Okay. So I'll go for first student, Vijaya. Vijaya. Vijaya, can you speak, ma? I am unmuting you. Vijaya did not take it. Nirmala. 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 Nirmala, not able to. Harshawant. Harshawant.
Sir, very good evening, sir.
Good evening, Harshawant, please.
Sir, for module one itself, how long it will take to complete the course?
Can I will tell you tomorrow this duration, my dear student. Tomorrow I will tell to every student. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, Harsha. Next, one more student is Anthony. Anthony.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
My doubt was like, what is the difference between, like you said, there is like in the RHIP, the program it is written two courses. One is full stack Python, and another one is yet alone Python. I wanted to know what is the difference like between full stack Python course and the Python course.
Nothing, ma. One thing is, suppose after learning Python, suppose they will go to IoT learning. For the exclusively, they are learning IoT, for example. They want to become IoT developer. That time they need only Python course. Only Python. So they will go for this IoT learning. That time other modules not necessary. Suppose if you are looking for a full career in this place only, so you need to learn the complete modules. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Another student, Srikant. Srikant. Srikanth?
Yeah, sir. వినిపిస్తుంది.
Srikanth, చెప్పండి. Tell me, ma.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను డేటా ఇంజనీర్ గా ట్రై చేస్తున్నా ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న టీచర్స్ లో.
ఓకే.
నాకు పైథాన్ ఏం తెలియదు సార్. జస్ట్ స్పార్క్ తెలుసు. పైథాన్ మీద నాలెడ్జ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఓన్లీ మాడ్యూల్ 1 సరిపోతుందా సార్?
Enough, ma. Module 1 is enough for you.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే లైక్ ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో మొత్తం అడ్వాన్స్డ్ పైథాన్, కోర్ పైథాన్,
ఎవరీథింగ్ ఉంది కదా, మనం చెప్పాను కదా, ఆల్రెడీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రొటీన్. ఆల్రెడీ ఆ కోర్స్ కంటెంట్ ఆల్సో షోన్ యూ నా?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, that completely I will explain.
Okay, sir.
The course content what we are giving is totally ultimate. In any institute, you just go through it. Within our content, even not even 15, 20% also matching with it. That much
Okay,
big
sir.
content we are explaining. Okay.
Any days and time duration ఎంత ఉంటుంది, sir?
Tomorrow I will tell you. To every student I will tell you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. And next student, another student I'll go for Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna.
Yeah, hello.
Ramakrishna, please tell me.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening. So under
evening.
module 2, JavaScript and Angular is there. Does this require Java, pre-Java required?
No need. I wrote out already, no need to have any knowledge to learn these modules. You need not to know anything. You need not to know anything about these courses. Everything we take care about it. Okay.
All the modules will be covered by you or any other?
See, if I want to cover it on all the modules, it takes some more time now. That's why we are assigning some senior faculty members for different modules, so that parallelly you can complete, so that early the course will complete it. That means you can search for the job immediately.
Parallelly means sometimes we need to attend 2 hours also.
Yeah, you can attend. 2 hours is each session is 2 hours.
Okay.
Right. And next student, Sandeep.
Hi, sir.
Sandeep, please tell me.
Yeah. Sir, is there any link to join directly, or else we have to go to the website and we have to join the class daily?
They will, this link is there for around almost 1 week. The same link will be there, ma.
The same link, sir. Okay. Generally, in outside, they'll be containing an application for accessing all these resources. Like, is there
We are
application?
also having an app. After 10 days, we will give you the app details for you.
Okay, sir. And also, could you please tell me how should I have to pay the fees and all those things? And whom?
Sandeep, one thing I want to tell you, don't worry about fees now itself. First attend my classes. 3-4 days you attend. Okay. First you see the
Okay.
quality of it, Sandeep. Later we worry about the fees. Fees is secondary. First you try to understand our good subject. That is my intention to bring to all the students. First you attend my classes. Daily you attend. Then you see that after that, then you go for other things. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, Sandeep. Next student, another student, Imtiaz. My dear student, Imtiaz. Imtiaz. Next student, Naresh Kumar.
Sir, are we going to cover UI technologies also or only Python programming? Sir, actually, I joined very late. That is the reason I'm asking.
Okay, no problem, Naresh. This is a module 1. You are asking about what one? Can you repeat one more time, students?
No, actually, I joined very late. That is the reason I'm asking. Module 1, you are going to cover. Even module 2 also, you are going to cover or some other?
Yeah, module 1, I will cover it.
Okay.
Module 2, another faculty will take. After 15 days of this, module 2 will start. Parallelly, we will attend the classes, so that it will complete things in a reasonable time with a good subject. Okay, na?
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Imtiaz. I think is Vinila.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Yeah, sir. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation at Hyderabad, sir. Right now, I'm pursuing my 3-2, sir.
Okay, ma.
Sir, the thing is that I'm having my college till 4:20, sir. So that
Okay, ma.
I need a Python full stack course in the evening time, sir. After 4:20, I'm comfortable, sir.
Now
So
it is
will this?
starting at 6 o'clock now.
Yeah, sir. Will this continue for still 5 modules, sir?
Yes, ma. That it will be according to your timings. They will take the opinion of the students. Suppose if Python is going on, they will conduct the session one more at evening time. Late they will conduct. That time you can utilize the sessions.
But this will be evening session, sir. I'm asking
Even
that.
that's what, ma. My session will be completing at 7:30, for example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After 7:30, they will go for this module will connect. For the people who are working somewhere from far away, they are reaching to home like that.
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Sir,
We will
and
have a link and then we will continue. Without disturbing your timings, they will conduct the sessions.
okay, sir. And then I'm having another doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
after learning this Python full stack in this institute, will you give any internships or any projects like that,
Yes,
sir?
ma. For our admin is given the number. Tomorrow onwards, some admins will give the numbers. Internship programs are also we are having it. We are having it. And if you
Okay, sir.
call that admin number, they will tell you that. Okay.
Okay, sir. If any mediator like is there, then it will comfortable for us also to know more details regarding this, sir.
That's what, ma. They will give you the details. Okay. Na?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right, ma'am. Thank you. And next student is Surya. Surya.
I'm audible, sir.
Surya, audible, ma. Please tell me.
The question was just, sir, after completing this module 1, are we going to means you are providing the about hacker rank and lead code questions?
I already said in the class now.
Yeah, I gone through it. And one thing regarding, sir, means this modules are parallelly will cover because it will take at least 3 to 4 months if there are, because the syllabus is quite it's big.
Very deep syllabus, because according to industry only we prepared the content. We have to learn deep content now. Only covering up and down, no use now. That's why.
Okay. No, suppose if your session is going on 6 p.m. and this, if after 15 days this UI technology started, then what would be the, if there are some clash of timing or something
No,
else?
no, not clashing. In other slot it will start. For some students will start in the morning, 7 o'clock that will start. So for some people will start in the another slot they will take. So depends on the, suppose you people are joining for full stack. There depends on the timings. Multiple times these courses will start. That time we can attend. Our suitable slot is coming. We will listen the class. Okay, no?
Okay. And sir, last one thing. After completing this your module 1, so we are able to solve this all the lead code problems you are
100%,
providing, right?
100%. You will remember, Surya. 100% you will do like anything. I am the expert in telling the coding things. You will 100% will get the things like anything. Okay, na?
Yeah, sir. Because right now, currently, the same interview, my friends are giving
Yes.
interviews. They are sharing lead code link
Yes.
and directly
That's what I'm saying.
giving.
That's what.
Yeah,
Even and today also I shown you now. Today also I shown you now. The type of examples only will come.
Yes.
Okay. That generally nobody will cover it. We are covering in a systematic manner. Okay.
And sir, there are one last thing. There are some programmer defined data structure, and there are some inbuilt data structure in Python. I know some basic. I have read books. So
I will, when I come to the subject, we will talk about that. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Right.
And sir, you will give you some mail ID or from your, so if we have.
I will give you. Okay. No, don't need not to worry about it. Let me start my subject content, and at that time I'll give you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. And next student is Amit.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Amit. Please tell me.
Sir, basically, actually, I'm working in embedded automotive domain. So,
Okay.
Yeah. So working in C++ application. So now
Good.
they're trying to like go for Python.
Yeah.
So the course content, whatever is, I think so it's more than like sufficient for executing the project.
And yes, 100%, Amit. That's what we
And
designed according to industry. Only we designed the course content.
yes, sir. And second thing is, sir, I'm parallelly doing like PGP program from IIT Kharagpur.
Good.
So in data science, so in that like they are not like covering content wise like Python as much like what you
Mm,
are like your content
yes,
is.
yes. That's what
So
I'm saying.
one ask is there, sir. So like if I attend your whole like complete full Python package, so
Yes.
there how can we implement in like data science? Like if I want to
That's
make
what
a
I'm saying. Now,
analysis.
NumPy Pandas is there. Na? I shown you even the project also. Na? Google Play
Yes,
Store
yes,
kind of thing.
yes,
I
sir.
will explain, Amit. 100%. What you are attending IIT Kharagpur and you are listening my class, I only will ask you in the middle of the sessions, how do you feel? What is the difference you are feeling? You only will
Yes,
say, sir, more than 50% deep subject you are explaining, you will say. From your
yes, sir.
words,
Content
from
is
your mouth,
more,
I
sir.
want to say.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Content is very much more of yours, sir.
Yes, my dear student. That only thing is we want to give you good quality of education to the students, especially from my classes. Okay,
And
Amit?
sir, for internship in like Python itself or like in data science, so we need to connect to admin or what, sir?
Admin, you connect to admin, you connect.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Right, Amit. Take care. And next student is Anil Yadav. Anil, Anil,
Hello.
Anil. Yeah,
Hello.
Anil, please tell.
So, good evening, sir. This side
Good
Anil
evening.
Yadav.
Anil Yadav, please tell.
Sir, actually, I'm working in one industry. So,
Okay,
my main thing is my timing. I'm available in evening time. So, whatever
okay.
courses you have listed out here,
Hmm.
so I want to attend in evening classes only.
Okay.
So, is it
Hmm.
possible that
6 o'clock we are starting. Na? This is will start at 6 o'clock.
okay, okay,
Is
sir.
it suitable
And
for you?
yes, yes, 6 onwards, I'm available till 10, 10:30, 11. I'm near to Amirpet only.
Okay, you can come to offline also if you want. You
Yeah,
can
no,
come.
no, I'm going to attend offline only, not online.
Okay, you can come tomorrow.
And one more thing, sir, for
Hmm.
suppose any classes I missed or any
Hmm.
leave is there, so is it possible to attend in Sunday or any holiday?
And
That is,
holiday Sunday generally beginning
mm,
you are the batch beginning na Sunday generally
ah,
class is not there. In
okay,
further I may take the workshops, lead code problem solving, hacker ranking problem solving. That time I may be taking the sessions on Sunday.
okay, okay.
Online purely that time.
Mhm. And sir, I have some industrial issues related to my
Hmm.
project. So
Okay,
that I want to solve there only, or my
no
project
problem.
only.
You can solve it. Ma. Easily you
Uh,
can solve it
mm.
with the Python
After
coding.
uh, after completing this course, although
Uh,
I'm a sir, I'm a basically a mechanical engineer.
hmm.
So my problem is related to vibration and all. So
Okay, no
for that,
problem, Anil. You will
mm,
easily solve it because I'm telling
mm,
you perfect coding for you. You will do like
no.
anything.
Okay, sir. That
Right,
are
Anil.
all my questions, sir. And thank you, sir. Thank you for
Right,
your
Anil. Right.
guidance.
Thank you, Anil. And next student, Bharat. 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 Next student, Krishna Teja. Krishna Teja.
Sir,
Krishna, please tell me, ma.
sir, is JavaScript is same as React JS? Yes.
Different, ma. That is different. That is different, na. Both of them are different.
Sir, we will discuss about React JS also.
Basically, our people are giving either Angular or React. Depends on the situation. That's what I say to even in the class in the React JS. I will tell them to see the students' strength, and some of them can go to Angular, some of them can go to React. I will tell them in such a way to organize. Okay, now?
Thank you for your advice, sir.
Right, ma'am. Aman, Gaurav. Gaurav? Gaurav? Next, Suma.
Hello.
Suma, tell me, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Is laptop is required or Android phone is enough to learn full stack Python?
No, ma, you need to have coding. For coding is concerned, you need to have laptop.
And
Or if you
laptop,
are
what kind of laptop is required, sir?
take i5, you take it i5.
Which one, sir?
i5 processor related configuration laptop, you take it. Any company with i5
Okay.
processor, you take it.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Right, ma'am. Next student, Sri G. Sri G. Sri J.
హాయ్ సార్.
Yeah, tell me.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ 5 మాడ్యూల్స్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
Yes, ma.
ఐ మీన్ అవన్నీ ప్యారలల్ గానే స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయా సార్? లేదంటే వన్ బై వన్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చా సార్? ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ ఫస్ట్ పైథాన్ చెప్తున్నారు మీరు.
First, I will tell the roadmap in the class, ma. After these days, I will tell you who need to go to this place and how to go to this place. I only will guide you how to enter into the roadmap. I will tell you in the class. First 15 days,
ఐ
you
మీన్
be.
అంటే నా డౌట్ ఏంటంటే సార్, ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్‌తో స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ప్యారలల్‌గా రోజుకి ఇప్పుడు మీది ఒక 2 అవర్స్ క్లాస్ ఉందనుకోండి సార్. నాకు పర్ డే ఒక 4 అవర్స్ గాని అట్లా నేను మీకు ఐ మీన్ కోర్సెస్ కేటాయిస్తే ఒక 2 అంటే మిగిలింది ప్రాక్టీస్‌కి అనుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను పైథాన్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. ఒక 2 అవర్స్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది. సేమ్ డే నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ మనం ఇంకో కోర్స్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాల్సొస్తుందా? లేదంటే పైథాన్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను యూఐ టెక్నాలజీస్‌కి అదంతా
అలా
అయిపోయిన తర్వాత
లే-
నేను
ఆ.
అట్లా ఎళ్ళొచ్చా అనేది?
లేదు ma, in the middle of that, after 15 days, UI will start. That day you have to attend parallelly. My class and other class
Okay.
also you have to attend.
ఓకే. అంటే డిఫరెంట్‌గా అంటే ఐ మీన్
Different
ఇప్పుడు ఇది
timings.
ఈవినింగ్ సార్. నాకు
Different timings.
ఈవినింగ్ టైమ్‌లో ఒక ఇప్పుడు నాకు పైథాన్ ఈవినింగ్ 6కి సార్. నేను ఈవినింగ్ 6కి ఇది అటెండ్ అయ్యాను. లేదు మళ్ళీ నాకు మార్నింగ్ 6కో, 7కో నేను అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాననుకోండి సార్.
ఇది
మార్నింగ్
స్టార్ట్
7కి
అవుతుంది
నేను
అప్పుడు.
యూఐ టెక్నాలజీస్ ఆ టైంకి అవైలబుల్ ఉండిద్దా? ఉండదా? అనేది
Yes,
కొంచెం
ma.
డౌట్
That's
సార్.
what we are starting. 7 a.m. we are starting. Evening 8 p.m. also this UI technologies will start because after my classes, without classes, the other course will start. Okay, na?
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్. అంటే ఐ మీన్ అదే సార్. నాకంటే మార్నింగ్ ఏమో 9 లోపైతే బెటర్‌గా ఉంటుంది. ఈవినింగ్ అయితే 6 తర్వాత 6
All
తర్వాత
possibilities, our
4
team
అయినా
members will contact. All my team members will contact you. They will take your feasible timings and they will start. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Right. Next student is Ankit. Ankit Singh. Some student is saying again and again, Kumar. Kumar is saying, sir, I am 10th class student. Is this the first class of this course, sir? My dear student, 10th class student, try to complete the graduation, then you look for it. The first class only. Try to complete the graduation, then you look for it. Okay. I already sent you the message, my dear student. Kumar, please take care. Okay. Now, Ankit Singh. Next student, Rajeshwar. Rajeshwar.
I'm Rajeshwar. I'm already working in AT&T as a cybersecurity specialist, and
Okay.
for the past 15 plus years. So
Good.
basically, I'm working on most of the time into the security and networking stuff. But
Good.
I wanted to move towards the automation and where I can get a chance into the engineering teams as well. So
Good.
for that, Python is the prerequisite for me, and even though I don't have much knowledge on the coding, so I wanted to start with you, and I want to go ahead.
No problem, Rajeshwar. Already you know importance of Python, and I will teach you this Python like anything. You can do a lot of data analysis, data analytics in the team where you are expecting. and you will write the coding like anything. Need not to worry about coding knowledge is not there, not like that. I will give you wonderful knowledge in this coding. Just now you have seen my content also, no?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
And one more
it's
student,
impressive.
one more student also said is from IIT Kharagpur. Amit, might be you listened that.
Yeah,
So he himself is saying that our content is so vast and deep of it. Will give you perfect idea for you, perfect knowledge will give you, and nothing to worry about it, Rajeshwar.
Okay. Another thing is like, I can't spend much time, sir. Maybe I'll spend a couple of hours on the Python every day. But
Mm.
since we have multiple technologies, can I go in a sequential order, like one after other?
It's your choice, your choice. But we will inform to every student this time this course is starting. This time this course is starting. If you are free in that time, you can attend. Otherwise, other timing also will start. That time you can go for it.
Yeah, because I wanted to complete the Python full fresh. Then only I wanted to move to a different, because anyway I don't have any urgency in going to the company and all, right? So already working for so many
Mm.
years, so I
Yes,
don't
no
have
problem.
any issues with package and all. So only
Okay.
thing is that I wanted to learn the subject very well, and based on that I can grow in my the positions itself.
100% you can achieve, Rajeshwar, no doubt in that. We will make you to reach to the highest states in the coding part of Python. 100% you will reach.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Right, Rajeshwar. And next student is John C. John C. Next student is Prasad.
Hello.
John C, tell me, ma.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. So I have couple of doubts, sir. So you did mention as job oriented as a title. So
Yes.
do we have any other content or modules in Python other than the modules you have mentioned?
Means?
I wanted to know like any other content. I mean, you mentioned as job oriented, right? So I
You want
wanted, yeah. Do we have any other content in Python?
for what content you want? For Python, we are learning for job content on job purpose only, na?
Yeah.
Then what is your requirement, ma?
No, actually, like you only mentioned job oriented, right? So
Right,
to
ma.
learn
What?
it deep. To
Deep
learn in
only.
deep.
You have seen my content. You have seen my content already. And you have seen that one student, Amit, he was taking from IIT Kharagpur. He only himself said that it is a so deep.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
Next student, Prasad.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Prasad, please tell me.
Hello, sir. So I'm also in the same lines as my other friend from AT&T. He was talking to you, right? Like, I work in National Science Foundation in the US, and I joined in the morning session.
Okay,
So
Prasad.
I have two questions, sir. Like, one is my time. This is my working hours, sir. So I'm just trying to see if there are any other batches where I can join and like expand my knowledge into the Python programming, because I'm into data warehouse ever since I started. I have about like 16 years of experience.
Good.
So I want to extend it to Python and learn more about it and turn towards data engineering and data science.
Good.
Yeah. So if that is the case, like my question is, like, I'm not in a hurry to change a job or something, but my motto from this course is to do some certifications and expand my knowledge and get into
Yes.
some other teams as well. So that being said, like this clashes with my work hours, sir. So is there a way that there would be a batch that starts for a US batch in a different timing, so that that would be convenient for us?
Yeah, actually, Prasad, as you already seen, different places, the morning 7 o'clock is actually so many US students. Majority of the people are from different countries. But that
Okay.
was already, might be you attended morning time demos you attended?
No, this is the first class I attended, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this time it is starting, and is it convenient for you to attend this session?
So it clashes with my scrum. It clashes with my scrum time between, sir. So I was
Okay.
not able to hear to about like 15 to 20 minutes of your session today. So that's the
Okay.
reason I just wanted to.
Yeah, but this is started at according to IST, it is started at 6 p.m. So
Right.
morning time, if anything starts, so you can in touch with the admins and they will inform you. And but
Okay.
this time, very recently, it is started in the morning 7 a.m. But this is the
Okay.
time which we are
Okay.
starting.
Okay,
So
sir.
see your possibility and attend. Okay.
Sure, sir. Yeah, if there is a new batch, will it be posted into that portal itself, sir?
Yeah, they will post it. They will post it.
Okay, yeah. But
Yeah.
yeah, I'll try to continue to attend these sessions. I liked your approach, and
Yeah.
you are deep into the subject, so I want
Yeah.
to get it with you.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Prasad.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you. Okay, students. Now see here, there are some more students are there, and time is almost 8 o'clock above. And tomorrow class, I will clarify the rest of the students' doubts. Tomorrow class, I will clarify the rest of the students' doubts. Okay. And students who are in online, and I will clarify your doubts in tomorrow session. Right. And whether you are experienced or you are in graduate, you must be a graduate. And irrespective of your coding standards, will provide you the perfect coding for you. Okay, students. Thank you, students. All the best. And tomorrow, don't miss the sessions.
Thank you.
Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Online students, am I audible to you? Okay. So now in today's class, last session, I explained about what this full stack course is going to deal with, how this full stack course is useful to you, and I explained a lot of things for you. And the students who are in the online, I will clarify all your doubts at the end of the class. So I will clarify all your doubts at the end of the class. Okay, try to follow me carefully. And beginning, no doubts clarification for online students. At the end of the class, I will be clarifying all the students' doubts. Okay, students, try to follow me carefully. Okay, today I want to go for entering into the further. Now I'll move to the further. So in full stack Python course, it's a job oriented course that I already introduced in the yesterday's class only, which contains 5 parts. The first module is Python programming. There I covered what topics I said. And the second module is called UI technologies. In this, we discuss these parts. In module 3, web frameworks, this part we discuss it. And in the database softwares, we discuss about MySQL and MongoDB. And module number 5, tools, we discuss it. And as a part of these things, we'll discuss the capstone projects. And moreover, I already said in the class, for learning this prerequisite for learning this full stack, I said already in the class, you must be a graduate of any discipline like this, BTech of any stream, MCA, MTech, BSc, BCom, or any of the streams which you have, most eligible. And 10th class students, 11th class students, 12th class students, it is there a lot of time is there. Not necessary to hurry about this kind of course to learn it. Okay. And what knowledge you must know about it. And I tested in yesterday's class some people's knowledge, and you have seen already. And you need not to know about any of the language like C, C++, Java, C Sharp. These languages you need not to have. And I tested yesterday. Even anybody feel that they know C or something like that. And based on my yesterday's questions, almost they come to know that what is their talent. Okay. So I don't want to repeat this. And I said that I make you strong in this coding, provided the student must do these entire things. Then you will become perfect in the class. All students must attend all the classes punctually. This is the first prerequisite student must take care. And one more thing is, all students must practice the use cases or problems or programs which I am explaining in the classes. And next, all the students must read the notes daily. And you must write the notes as well as you must read the notes daily. These are the prerequisites, you must do it. Then you will become a successful student. Only attending class, getting the job is very difficult. You have to work hard after getting this subject. Okay. And I said about my classes and what is the importance of my class and everything I said and what my class will deals with. What are my experiences I said yesterday. And today I'm entering into the actual subject now. So what is the subject I'm explaining today? The real-time applications developed by using Python programming, in connection with various combination of technologies and languages. This is what I'm going to discuss today. Of course, this is a 2 days concept. Today I will start and I will continue in the tomorrow also. Then I'll enter into the real subject part. That means before entering into the full stack Python, this course when we are discussing, we start with the module number 1. We are starting now Python programming. By learning this Python programming, in which areas I can start working, that is our basic agenda in today's class. This is what I'm going to speak about it. Are you able to follow now? So let me start with with the Python programming, what we are going to discuss. At the same time, why today's software industry is much worrying about the topmost programming language about Python. Yesterday's class, I said one important statistical information I shown in the class. That might be you are already aware of it. Just in 1 minute, I will show and I will move to the further. So TIOBE index, it is a software quality company. It is a software quality company. These people are conducting the survey of every month and showing the popularity of the Python in the software industry. So how this popularity they are giving in the form of one small survey report in the class. I'm just showing that here. Coming to this, after going to home, try to do this now. This is what the description they are giving it. Now I am going to give you this type of things. And observe this language now. See this now. Python you see. Python is available in the topmost programming language in the software field. Python is having ranked number 1 language now. Ranked number 1 language in the present world. And later, the second ranking is with C language. And what C language you know already, that C language is different and industry C language is different. And what C language we know, what C language industry is expecting is completely different. When you come to C++, it is in growing phase. And C++ last year it is in 4th in rank, now it is in 3rd. The Java, if we look into that, this is almost going down. And this is not my website. It is a website which is already there in the TIOBE. And this is the popularity of the Python. Such a popularity of the Python language. With this ranked number 1 language, what type of real-time applications we develop, I'm just explaining in the class. So I'm talking about the overall picture about what Python I am talking. And moreover, it's not only this website you can take it. You can take one statistical times. That is also one popular place where people are conducting the surveys. People are conducting some sort of surveys. So there I am writing, showing here some sort of things like this. Try to follow students. Here I am writing. This you go through it. This you go through it after going to home. And see this now. Coming to this place, here they are giving it. So here they are giving it. Python programming in the worldwide, TIOBE in the worldwide they are giving. Python is a ranked number 1 language. And C++ almost you see they are in growing stage. Java is almost coming down. And see this PYPL is a worldwide, the summary they are giving it. And Java is almost plus 0.7 is in growth. And this minus is in minus growth, it is available. The share, market share about the Python is 28.43 and the Java is almost going to 16.04. If we come down to this Python index in US, 32.71 Python, Java is almost not even 13.41. Python in India, of course, most of the Indian projects are coming from different countries. And Python is 29.41. Java is still working on old maintenance projects only. And next, PYPL in Germany, Python is almost 43.93 and Java is something like this. Why this much of popularity for Python? Python in United Kingdom, 44.24. Python, Java is almost 11.63. PYPL in France and Python is 46.11. Java is like this. And this is called the overall survey about what Python. And by seeing all these things, what we can conclude, which language we need to learn? Top world language number 1, or you need to learn something 3, 4, 5, 6 ranked languages? Ranked number 1 language only, we want to learn it. Let us start discussing about what are the various applications we can develop using Python. So I just want to give you one small diagrammatic format also. This is a software industry. This is a software industry, what we have. In this software industry, in IT field, what is the contribution of Python This is what software industry we can say. And I'm talking about what is the role of Python. I'm just talking about it. Based on that, I'm just giving you some small role of Python. I'm talking about it. Here I just want to write it. The role of Python in the field of software industry. What will be the applications we can develop using Python programming? I'm just trying to give you in the form of some sort of application developments. I hope students, now you are trying to understand the role of Python in the industry I'm talking, because almost all the applications which are available in the real world are as on today is preferring to go for what? Python. So what are those applications? I will just write one by one. Shall I start off? Right. So by using Python programming language, Python programming language, by using Python programming language, and in combination with other tools, other tools and technologies, we develop the following applications. We develop the following applications or products. I'm talking about the product based things only I'm writing. And moreover, one more thing I forget to show you. I just want to go for this part. So let us try to understand the companies using Python language. Companies using Python language. What are the top companies using Python language? Top 30 companies that uses Python and success and their profits. Or just to take one image you take it. I just open one image here. One small image I will open it in separate tab. You just see that there are a lot of companies, the world-class companies Python is using. The top companies using Python, world-class companies, Netflix. And if you go on Amazon, Nokia, and next Bitbucket, and YouTube, Google, IBM, Quora, there are lot of companies. These are all world-class companies using Python language. TCS, IBM, this is Infosys, and all these things are project-based companies. These are all world-class companies I'm showing here. So such a world-class companies when people are using, and we need to learn this Python programming thoroughly. So let us start the applications one by one. And these applications, I almost write so many number of applications I will write, students. And dear students, once again I am saying, this is the class which I am explaining so deeply, and only getting up and downs like our academics is totally not things. And the last class, when some students asked in the class, sir, what will be the duration of this course? They said, duration of the course. Let me write how many applications introduction I am giving. Almost 20 plus applications I am going to tell in the class. 20 plus applications I am going to tell you. Name of the applications which are developed by using what? Python. And in the last class, some students asked about the duration of the course. One small things I will come and I will move to the further. And those who attended my class yesterday, they have seen my content and everything. And my content is so extraordinary. You compare my content any one of the institutes, any one of the top level universities, and even IITs also, you download and then compare our Python course. And the admin will, you ask the admin will send you that syllabus copy for you. And compare anywhere. And the duration, generally, when you are a new student, when you come after your engineering to any of the training institute, the general students who are not from IIT, who are not from non-NIT, and who are not from triple IT, they have more enthusiasm when to get the job. We take 4 years completed, job is not there. And then when you come to this course learning, they will ask you, sir, will you complete the course in 1 month or 45 days, something like that. Some institutes, will directly say, for 1 month, 1 month will complete Python. What they will do? The student will do what? Okay, 1 month, no problem. And you are already in the tension. Parents are asking, when do you get the job? They are in tension. 1 month, 30 days. Okay, join. If anybody says 3 months, if anybody says 3 months, of course, they won't go there. Why? 3 months. 4 years completed, no job is there. They are saying 1 month. Of course, not everybody. I will tell you who will prefer this. They are in frustration. They are preferring this 30 days. And in 30 days, I'm just saying one calculation because open facts are very bitter in taste. And 4 Sundays will come and 26 days will be coming there. In the 26 days, you will be absent for how many days generally? Generally, student is absent for how many days? Just I'm asking your opinion. How many? 5 days. Monthly. Monthly 5 days. Okay. A very danger candidate you are. You are very danger. Monthly 5 days absent means I am not able to imagine also. Okay. Okay. I'm not taking 0 day student is absent. I am expecting you are attending punctually, I said. You are saying 5 days means almost you are out of order. And openly I am saying, and you don't feel it also. Because as a senior most faculty, I don't want to speak something other than this. I speak openly to you. Facts I will tell in the class. 5 days if you are absent now, better to go to home. This is my advice. Okay. So student is absent for 0 days. Faculty is absent is 0 days only I am taking. 26 days compulsory you are attending the classes. Assume everywhere, most of the places, 99% of times which I observed it, 1 hour class only they will take. 1 hour class only they will take. 10 minutes they will come late. 10 minutes early they will leave the class. So 26 days with what minutes? 40 minutes. Take 1 hour. You take 1 hour. With what? 1 hour you take it. So how many hours Python will complete? 26 hours Python will complete. With that, you will feel that you completed and you will attend 1 or 2 interviews. You cannot answer not even one question also. Not even one question also you can answer. Yesterday I shown hacker ranking examples. You have seen how complicated they are. These students, I have seen in my classes, those who are attending my classes, after they are completing this one, they realized when after 6 months they realized. No subject, only 30 days, just the time pause, it's gone. I shown our content and everything. Beginning only I'm saying, such a deep content is prepared according to the industry. We are going to give you strictly what? 3 months I'm going to take it. 3 months solid explanation with 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes I'm going to take every day. This is my timing. Not from today. After 4 or 5 days onwards, I said yesterday only. This is my duration, students. And completing in 1 month, what is that? Just talking about the subheadings and then finishing. Here we talk about all hacker ranking examples. Perfect explanation will be giving about the complete coding only will explain. Complete coding will be explained. So this is my duration. If you are having any success route, if you want to prefer, my classroom is preferable. And otherwise, later it is your own things. Are you able to follow? So my duration is 3 months, which I'm taking complete Python. I am explaining where you can work in different fields. So the first one I'm going to start with. Is my duration is clear? Students in the online, I hope you are going to start with. Let us enter into the applications which we develop using Python language. Let us start the first one. By using this Python programming, with full stack development, I'm going to start with this one. Development of lot of things I'm going to explain. Carefully try to learn it. That means before going to start learning C language, you need to learn before entering into the subject, what are the real-time applications you can develop by using C programming you need to learn. That means by learning C programming, which type of projects I can start working, you must learn in the class. By learning C++ programming, what type of applications we can develop? By learning Java programming, what type of applications or projects we can develop? Similar manner, before entering into the subject, we are starting with the Python here. By using Python programming, what type of applications or what type of projects we develop? That is what I am introducing in the beginning day. Are you following this part? So first we are talking about by using Python programming. First thing is development of web applications. Development of web applications. Here, try to listen. Don't write anything, ma. Don't write. Please don't write. Listen now. I'll give the full-fledged notes for you. I'll send you the notes. Just give me. In next day only, I will share one link for you. Notes related link. First listen. Give me an opportunity to explain and first you understand my subject. So the first thing is development of web application. Let me speak about much time I will speak about this area. What do you mean by these web applications here? What do you mean by web applications? Of course, there are two types of web applications are there. Static web applications, dynamic web applications. Two types of web applications are what? Development of what? Web applications. Dear students, these web applications are already developed in the software industry by using two competitors already. And the third competitor today is what? Python programming is coming.